Welcome to the tutorial on using GMIT Libraries Search and Find to find books and ebooks. You can start off searching for a title from the library webpage, library.gmit.ie. In the Search and Find area, just key your title, choose the Title radio button and click on Search. A list of all the books that GMIT Library has with your words will appear. Sometimes this list can be very large, but it's very easy to narrow it down. If we look for print books only, we will notice the numbers reduce, and you can further reduce them by keying a publication date range or using the slider option and the limiters. You will see the library location and also the availability of the print items. If you want to get something out, just make a note of the call number and go to that section in the library. When you click on the link for the title, you will get more detailed information about that title, including an abstract or summary. You have your Save, Cite and Download options on the right-hand side if you wish to save the information for later. Click on the back arrow to go back to your results list. If you're looking for something that's already checked out, it's very easy to place a hold. Just click on the Place Hold link and you'll be prompted to log into your library account in a separate tab in the library's Classic catalogue. Just log in with your email address and password and then click on the button to confirm your hold. Go back to the previous tab. And if we wish to look at the ebooks from that results list, we just change the limiter to ebooks only, and we get a listing the very same format. But in this case, you will see a link to full text. So if you click on the full text button, it will open up the ebook. And from this screen, you can go ahead and read using the navigation keys at the bottom. You can also enlarge the text or reduce the text to fit the screen. You can go directly to a particular chapter or section of the book using the table of contents on the left-hand side. You can also download a chapter or a range of pages to a PDF file. You can email the PDF to yourself or save it to your device or PC. If you wish to read the entire ebook and to download it, which is like a library checkout, click on the download button. Please note you will need to authorize your PC or device using Adobe Digital Editions to enable it to read ebooks. If you haven't done this previously, you will be prompted and the system will know the kind of device you're using. When you finish your download, it will open up in the separate format. In this case, this is the Adobe Digital Editions format. You can also use the Bluefire app to read ebooks from mobile devices. You will have your loan for a period of 7 days like a library checkout, but if you hadn't finished reading the ebook, you can go back in and retrieve and download it again for another 7 days. It's very easy to save results from the searches you do in the library. Just use the little folder icon which is there for every item on the right hand side, and then when you click on My Folder at the top, you will see the items you've added. You can download them using the retrieval options on the right, email them to yourself, save them to a local file, or you can reformat them in a particular referencing style. In this case, we've reformatted them into the Harvard referencing style. We hope this short tutorial will be of use for you with searching for books and ebooks using GMIT Libraries, and thank you for watching.